Hello friends, today we are going to talk about coinpayu.com site. This is a free site to earn daily. This is we are just going through the register page. This is how we enter the email and the password, and we have to put the repeat password out here. You have to agree with the terms and then register. After you register, check the activation link in your email and click it. The next step is to log in. Just provide your email and press login. So you see the dashboard of Coinpayu. You see featured service on the top, and on the left side all the clickable links. You have to start with browsing. There are two types of ads, frameless ads and framed ads. You see here there are 14 ads, and I have done, out of the 15 I have done 14. Once you click it, you see the site, and here the timer starts. So once it's completed, it says you earn specific amount of coins, and then the same way you have to click each and every link, and then you go to framed ads here, or you go through here. So whatever frame ads is there, you have to click it. The next part is the service. So you just click the service on the top and start one by one. So here is the survey part. You just have to do all the surveys, whichever comes. Even if the survey is not completed, you get coins in that. There are CPX surveys, theorem reach, bit labs, in brain and polefish. You have to put in your profile all the settings, your wallet address, cash out is $1, and for cash out you have to use what type of crypto. Mostly LTC would be better because the fees are less. And then the affiliate links. There are promo materials. Here you will get your affiliate links. So you see this, and you can promote it. Then there is leaderboard, affiliate leaderboard. You can join these leaderboards. if you want to refer more and be on the top. The history part, the payments, withdrawals. I have earned about $5 plus. I have withdrawn $1. I have 5 referrals. Go to the dashboard and you'll see some surveys every day. Just do these surveys and you earn more money through these surveys. I have reached level 4. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.